First off, apples are packed with good stuff like vitamins and minerals. They've got vitamin C, which helps us to stay strong, and potassium, which is just great for our bodies. Plus, there are these things called antioxidants that help keep us healthy too. And you know what's cool? Apples have fiber, and that's like a friend for our tummies. It helps us digest food and keeps our gut happy. Now let's talk about our hearts, the real MVPs. Eating apples is like giving our hearts a high five. They have something called fiber that helps lower cholesterol, which is good news for our hearts. And there are these superhero things called polyphenols in apples that can lower the risk of heart problems. So if you want to be a heart superhero, grab an apple. Okay, sugar talk. Even though apples are sweet, they are like the good guys when it comes to sugar. They have a low sugar release, which means they're kind to our blood sugar levels. That's awesome for everyone, especially those watching their sugar intake. The fiber in apples helps too. It slows down sugar digestion, so our blood sugar doesn't go crazy. Apples, the sweet snack that's actually good for you. Who here is on the cusp to be the healthiest version of themselves? Apples can be your sidekick. They are low in calories but high in fiber, so they are a fantastic snack if you're trying to manage your weight. Next time you're hungry, grab an apple. It's like a tasty, crunchy friend that won't make you feel guilty. Let's switch gears to our teeth. Apples are like nature's toothbrush. When we munch on them, they make saliva that helps keep our teeth strong. The fiber in apples also gives our teeth a little scrub, keeping them clean and healthy. So don't forget to smile big. Apples are on your team for a healthy, happy grin. Last but not the least, our brains. Apples have something called quercetin. It's like a brain superhero. Some studies say eating apples might help keep our brains in tip-top shape and even reduce the chance of brain problems. So, whether you're studying hard or just want to keep your brain sharp, apples are a tasty way to do it. And there you have it, the awesome reasons why apples are fantastic for our health. If you like hanging out with us today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your pals. And hey, tell us in the comments how you like to munch on your apples. We'd like to know. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and keep enjoying the goodness of apples. See you next time. Bye.